So hello guys, how are you all doing? So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how you can prepare bread without using flour and yeast, guys. So this video is for people who are diabetic and anyone who is looking forward to lose weight. So with this recipe we are going to be using peanut butter. Guys, see the bread. Guys, it was so soft, guys, so delicious, so yummy. Guys, stop buying bread. Stop buying bread. You can use peanut butter, especially if you are diabetic. You know bread is not good for you. Bread contains a lot of carbohydrates, which leads to sugar. So avoid this and you make this at home. Very simple and easy. As we go, I'm going to be listing some health benefits of peanut butter if you don't know. So see how the bread. I'm going to be adding my peanut butter. So I'm going to be adding, like, let me say 3 tablespoons of peanut butter, as you see me adding. This is very simple and easy if you are watching me and you're looking for a way to lose weight. So as I said, peanut butter contains protein. It's rich in protein and also contains healthy fat. So guys, as you can see, so I'm done adding my peanut butter, or I'm done taking the peanut butter. So here I'm going to be using 3 eggs. That's what I'm going to be using here. So I'm going to be cracking some 3 eggs here. So, and also peanut butter also help boost your energy. The energy, it helps boost your energy. And also, as I said, if you're looking for it to lose weight, peanut butter is also good. And also if you are suffering from diabetes, it can help monitor your sugar. So, and also it has antioxidant properties. So you see it's very rich. So if you eat this peanut butter, you are consuming a lot of things, a lot of goodies, a lot of health benefits. So guys, stop buying bread and instead use this. So as you can see, I'm going to be cracking 3 eggs. So once I'm done cracking, I'm going to be using my hand mixer to mix it very well. So if you don't have hand mixer, don't worry, you can use any anything you have. You can just to stir it or just to whisk it very well. You can use anything. If it's egg whisk, you can use it. If you don't have the hand mixer, anything you have you can use to mix it. So the hand mixer is optional. If you don't have it, don't worry. So I'm going to be adding baking powder. Baking powder is not optional, it's compulsory for you to add baking powder because we are not using yeast, so you have to make good use of baking powder. And also I'm going to be adding honey. So if you are diabetic, you can omit this part. So I added a little bit of honey, and also I'm going to be adding vanilla extract. And also if you don't want it, it's optional, you can omit it. But me, I wanted it. So after, I'm going to mix it very well. I'm going to be using my hand mixer to mix everything very well, until I see that everything has mixed very well. So as you can see, this is me mixing it very well. Guys, this is very simple and easy. Stop buying bread. It's very, guys, it was so yummy. I didn't even expect it to come out this way. It was delicious. So if you are looking for it to lose weight, I will advise you to use this instead of buying bread, because if you are trying to lose weight and you're always eating bread, there is no way you are going to lose weight. And also if you are suffering from diabetes and you're always eating bread, please, your sugar level will always go up. So if you are craving bread, you can use this. As you can see, this have a lot of health benefits. So you mix it for, like, let me say 30 seconds, and once you are done, then make sure you have your pan already prepared. So you are going to be baking this. So guys, it was very simple and easy, so delicious, guys, so delicious. Me, for now, I'm not going to be buying bread. This is what I'm going to be eating. And it came out so good. I didn't expect it to come out so good. So at this point, this is my pan. So I'm going to show you how I made this pan. How I folded my my attachment paper. How it's looking. I'm going to show you in a video. I've done a video on how I made it like this. Instead of folding it the other way, you don't worry, I'm going to show you the video. I'm going to be uploading the video on my shorts so you can go and check it out there. So here, after, pour everything into your baking pan that has the attachment. Make sure you use the attachment. If you don't have it, use either butter or oil. Grease your pan very well so that it doesn't stick to your pan here. And after, you can use your spatula to just shape it very well here, as you see me doing here. So after, use your spatula to shape it very well, as you see me doing here. And once you are done, then are going to be baking this here. So guys, I baked this for 20 minutes here. So guys, I forgot about it and it nearly got burnt. This is me here. Anytime I'm cooking, I'm doing something else here. So please don't be like me. If you know you are cooking, don't add other things here. So as you can see, this is how it's looking. So I'm going to be adding sesame seeds here. As you can see me here, it's also very good here. It's very healthy. So I'm going to be adding some here. As you see me sprinkle some onto the bread here. And guys, we are going to be baking it. Yes guys, this bread was good. I had it with tea, and it's like you taste the peanuts, but it's like you adding peanut to your bread. That's how you taste it. Yeah, it was so good. So this is how it's looking after baking. Yeah guys, it was so good. Yeah, at some point it was very hot, so I left it to go and shower. Then I came back and it has cooled down, and then let's do the cutting. Yeah, so guys, this bread was good, so good. Yeah. So if you are watching me and you've never had peanut bread, then use this method and then prepare your own. It was soft guys, so soft here. So this is how it's looking. So guys, let's do the cutting. Guys, at this point I was craving, I wanted to taste it guys. Yeah, so we are going to be tasting it guys. And guys, the bread was so good, it was good. Yeah, so at this point I'm going to be cutting it guys. So if you're seeing this video for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to turn on the bell notification bell, so anytime I upload any videos you will be notified. And guys, this is how our bread is looking guys. Check it out, so soft guys, and it was so delicious, so yummy. So stop buying bread and instead make this, and your family will love it. So love it guys. Me, I enjoyed it myself here. So this is going to be my bread for now. So guys, rate my recipe in the comment section, and also let me know in the comment section, have you tried this recipe before? Let me know in the comment section, and also let me know where you are watching me from. So guys, at this point, if you have not subscribed, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.